Hi friends, it's cooking time and I will cook the all-time favorite beef steak, my version.
Here is my version of beef steak. It's so yummy. These are the ingredients. So let's start by tenderizing this thinly sliced beef. You just have to pound it. If you have mallet or meat tenderizer, you can use it. You can use your cleaver if you have like this. So we continue doing it to all the slices of beef, so that when we cook it, it easily gets tender. Alright? So you have to do the same process with the rest of the beef. Then let's prepare the other ingredients that we need. This one, we call this one kalamansi in the Philippines, or in Visayan we call this also lemoncito. It means small lemon. Alright, then we usually use white onions. I like the taste of white onions because it's sweet. Right, and then we just have to do this so that we can produce rings. Alright, I will slice also a small size red onion. Okay, now we have to marinate the beef, so we have to put calamansi juice, or what we call lemoncito in our dialect with the Philippines. So we put calamansi, and you know, the calamansi has a distinct flavor. It really adds taste, a great taste in our beef steak. And then after this, we have to add the soy sauce like that. Okay, and then mix. So we have to see to it that the beef is really drenched with the calamansi juice and also the soy sauce. You know, beef steak has only few ingredients, and this is easy to cook. Okay, you can just add a little more soy sauce. No, this is according to your desired taste. And then after this, we have to fry the beef after marinating for an hour. At least an hour. So we have to heat oil in the pan, or if you have a wok, and you have to keep the marinade sauce, because we will be using this sauce when we cook the beef steak. So we have to fry first the beef. Oh, it smells good. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly like and subscribe. You may share also your brilliant ideas about cooking beef steak in the comment sections. Alright, so you have to flip it or turn the other side, and maybe for another 2 minutes to cook this one. Some are cooked already, so you just have to do the same process with the rest of the beef. Now we will saute the white onions. White onions is so nice for beef steak. Though you may use also combinations of white and red onions. But it's good to include white onions because of its sweet taste. Okay, then you have to mix the beef and the onions when it is cooked. You know that it's cooked when it is a little transparent. Okay, so I think this is almost ready, and then we have to mix with all the fried beef. Okay, so we have to stir it well. It smells so good. You know, it's easy to cook this one because the beef is so thin. Okay, and then we have to simmer it for a few minutes. Alright, then we have to stir it from time to time. And then we have to add the marinade sauce and stir it again. And we have to simmer it for another few minutes. Alright, we need to soften the beef, so we have to add another cup of water, and then we have to let it boil. Okay, when it boils, we have to mix it, we have to stir it again, and we have to check if it is already soft, if the meat is really soft. And then we can put additional seasoning so that it would really taste good. We usually use Maggi Magic Sarap seasoning, but you can use your own seasoning and let it taste according to your desired taste. Then last, we have to simmer it for another couple of minutes. This time we add another cup of water because the beef is not tender yet, so we have to need to boil this one until the beef is tender. It is good to do it gradually. We did not put the 2 cups of water together. Alright, look at this. Wow, it looks so good and it looks so delicious. Mukhang napakasarap na talaga niya. Ayan. It looks so yummy. So, we just simmer it for a couple of minutes just to reduce the sauce. Wow, look at that. It's cooked already. Oh, I would love to eat this with hot rice. Okay, you just add the remaining onions. Just add it. And then after a minute, This is ready to serve. It's so yummy. This is my delicious beef steak. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.